Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip. And today our topic is on Pythagoras theorem. Now don't forget, in our previous class, I said there are four ways by which you can solve any triangle. We have what we call Pythagoras theorem, we have trigonometrical ratio, we have sine rule, and we have cosine rule. Now, the first two, which is Pythagoras theorem and trigonometrical ratio, are only used to solve any right angle triangle. And basically, Pythagoras theorem is only meant to solve the size of right angle triangle. Angles not inclusive. Okay. Now, if you have a right angle triangle, if you have this right angle triangle that I have on the board, if I name this place side angle A, B, and C, automatically this place is side A, this will be side C, and this place will be side B. What does Pythagoras theorem says? Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse line squared equals to opposite line squared plus adjacent line squared. Which one is my hypotenuse in this diagram? This is my hypotenuse. Why is it hypotenuse? Because it is the side that faces the right angle. Because angle is not involved, any of the side can be opposite. Okay? Now, if I'm looking at this angle, this will be my opposite. If I'm looking at this angle, this will be my opposite. Okay? So according to this, my hypotenuse, which is my A squared, equals to B squared plus C squared. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Very straightforward and simple. Okay? Now, let me give an example. If you have a right angle triangle, as I have on the board, for example, if I have this triangle, which is a right angle triangle, if this place is known as 3 and this place is known as 4, if I'm given this place as x and I'm asked to find x, what will be my x? Automatically, you need to identify this side. This side is known as my hypotenuse. This can be my opposite, and this can be my adjacent. Automatically, my x equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared. Why? Because it is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Pythagoras theorem. All right? So my x squared equals to 3 squared is what? 9. 4 squared is what? 16. Automatically, my x squared equals to 25. And my x equals to square root of 25. And anytime when you're finding the square root, it is always plus or minus. So my x will be equals to plus or minus 5. And in this case, side of a triangle cannot be negative. You can't measure a meter by minus. So automatically, my answer will be positive. All right? You can't say you are minus 5 centimeter or minus 5 meter tall because you measure distance in positive. That's why my answer will be 5. Okay? Now, let's do some other example. Let me give another diagram. If you have this kind of diagram, if you have this kind of diagram, if this place is 3, let's say this place is 5, this place is 4, this place is x, this place is y, and this place is known to be 6. Let me draw it well. All right? If this place is 6 centimeter and this place is y, all right? And you are asked to find side x and y, all right? If you check, there are 2 triangles in this diagram. We have one triangle. We have this, which is a right angle triangle. That's this place will be 5, this place will be x, and this place to be 4. We have another triangle, all right? This place is 6. They are both right angle triangle. This place is also x, okay? It's also x. This place is y, all right? No angle is given. Either angle is given or angle is not given. You can use Pythagoras theorem as long as you know two sides of that triangle, okay? Now, in this triangle, you know two sides. You don't know one. In this second triangle, this is my triangle 1 and this is my triangle 2. In this second triangle, you know only one, you don't know two. So you can't solve this one first. As long as you get this, that shows that you have two sides known and the third can be calculated. All right? So if I look at my triangle 1, from triangle 1, okay, which one is my hypotenuse? My 5 is my hypotenuse, all right? Because it's the side that faces the right angle. So my 5 squared equals to my x squared plus my 4 squared. All right? What is 5 squared? 25. X squared plus 16. All right? If I bring 16 to this place, it becomes minus. So automatically my x squared equals to 9. So if I find my x, which is square root of 9, which equals to 3, automatically my x is what? 3. So I know this 3, this x to be 3. I know this place, so I can find my y. So if I want to use my calculator, if I want to go from my second diagram, from triangle 2, from the second triangle, I have my hypotenuse to be y. That is y squared equals to x squared plus 6 squared. My y squared equals to, don't forget why are these equals, because it is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. All right, that reason why they are equal. All right, always state it. My y squared equals to my x squared is what? Has been gotten to be 3. That is 3 squared plus 6 squared. All right, so my y squared equals to 9 plus 36. So my y squared equals to 45. So my y equals to square root of 45. And that is equals to, my square root of 45 will give me 6.71. So 2 decimal places. All right, and that is my final answer. If you find this very helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Bye.